What is going on, guys? It's Daud Vasu from New Edibox, and welcome to your sixth HTML video tutorial. Guys, in this tutorial I will be teaching you some really neat tricks again about text formatting and how to change the style and color and size and font of your text. So this will be quite interesting and engaging. So let's get down to business, as they say. Okay, guys, so let's as just for the beginning, we will need, of course, a sentence or a text that we will be playing with. So let's type it in something like welcome to your sixth HTML tutorial, and I hope you will really enjoy it! Exclamation mark. Okay, guys, so let's close the whole text in a new paragraph, because this will help us and playing with the style of the text. Okay, so now we have the complete paragraph with the sentence in it, and what we want to do here, I want to change the size of the text. So there are a couple of let's say parameters that I have to enter in order to tell my browser that I want the text to be varied in a different color, different size, and different font, and that element is called font. So we make an opening tag for font, and then we type it in font size, and it should equal to whatever the size you want. So let's put it in, let's say 14th. Then one more parameter that we can use is the font family, and font family is defined by face. Yes, face, guys, and we have to enter the exactly the font family that we want to be used on our website. So let's put it in, let's say Arial, and it will display in Arial. Now, one more parameter that we can use and that is really useful is the color of the text, because we can vary the colors and change the colors. So let's use any very basic color. Let's enter the parameter of the color, and let's tell the browser what color of the text we want to be displayed on our web. So let's put it in the green, let's say. Just like the bug, we will have the green color. And we have to enter, of course, the closing tag, guys, because this is really important for simple housekeeping rules. So this is it. Let's try to run that bit of a code on our website. And of course, again, I'm getting it on my second screen. There we go, guys. So it's pretty big text, so let's change it into, let's say, 6th, and refresh it. There we go. It's a little bit smaller, yet better looking. Okay, guys, so this is the way how you change the text and how you change the size of the text, and where you can enter the font family that you want to be used, and the color, of course. And that's about it for text formatting. And now, guys, I want to show you something. I want to tell you something about font formatting, and that is the font element will be depreciated in future hypertext markup languages like HTML5, XHTML. So you can learn it. I'm just showing it to you how does it work. But I want to warn you that don't stick to this concept, since it's not going to be used in the future very wide. In the future, I will be teaching you guys how to style the text and how to format the text using CSS. It's cascaded style sheets. It's a little bit more advanced, but very, very effective way to change the font family, color, and many other parameters of the text. So I'm just showing you the principle to know that it is possible to do it, but don't stick to this concept, because the new ones are going to be coming your way. So for this one, that's about it, guys. I would like to teach you a couple of more things right now, and those things are how to insert the quotations of the text. Now, there are two types of quotations how we can enter into the text, and those are long quotations when we have, let's say, few sentences. Once you will be entering an article in your website, or in any, let's say, any text that will be quoted and will have a long quotation, and you will want to enter it. There is one attribute, not attribute, but element that you can use, and that element is block quote. So we just type it in the block quote, and once we enter the block quote, I'm sorry, I'm done. Yeah. Once we enter the block quote, let's copy the same sentence, because I'm a little bit too lazy to type it in once again. So let's put in line break here, and let's copy the whole sentence. There, there, and there. Okay, let's save it with Ctrl S, and let's run it and see what we get. Okay, I'm not gonna do that because it's going to be okay. There we go. So guys, for you to see the effect, I will enter one more thing, and that is, this is the block quote. So you could see what's the difference and what's the effect. There you go. So as you can see, guys, the block quote, it gives some white space around the text, for the text and for the quote itself. Sorry for the camel cough. Okay, so you get some white space around your text, and all the information, all the quote is just quoted as a long text. Now, there's one more way how you can enter the quote, and that's a short quote. And short quote, let me just show you. This is the short. Let's put it in the same way. Short quote. An element used for short quote is Q. So let's put in the closing tag, and let's copy the text, because again I'm a little bit too lazy to type it in once again. Okay, one more quote, but entered as a short quote. So let's see, let's refresh and let's see what we get. There we go. So as you can see, guys, a short quote is quoted within quotation marks, and it doesn't give additional white space around the text. So I suggest you use Q for short quotes and block quote for long quotes. So it will it will tell your reader which text is longer to read as a quote, and maybe a quote from a professional athlete or politician or whatever, and the second one will be short quote, just to enter one sentence, one or two sentences. So that's about it, guys. Thanks as for this tutorial, thanks for sticking with me for past 10 minutes, and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a couple of comments if there's something else you want or you would like me to cover, but just stick to the tutorials because I will be posting new videos very soon. And thanks again, guys, and see you soon.